Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about WhatsApp. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials if you don't want to miss out on our contents and tutorials. So moving on, first of all, WhatsApp is a free messaging, video and voice call application that you can use on your mobile Android device. So first, to download the WhatsApp application, you have to go to Play Store on your device. You can freely download it from here. Go to the search box and you can type WhatsApp. So this is the application. You have to tap on the install button and then the downloading process will begin, and then soon it will install in your device. So the download process has completed. Now it is installing in your device. So it has completely been installed. You can tap on the open button. So you see WhatsApp has been successfully downloaded and installed in your device. Now you can start using it.